Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to remove a forked repository on GitHub. This is particularly useful when you no longer need a forked copy of a project or want to clean up your repository list. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to github.com. Once the page loads, sign in using your credentials. After logging in, you'll be directed to your GitHub dashboard where you can see all your repositories and activity. Now look at the upper left panel of your screen. Here you'll find a list of your repositories. Click on the specific repository that you want to remove the fork from. This will take you directly to that repository's main page where you can view all its contents and settings. Next, focus your attention on the top toolbar of the repository page. Here you'll see several options available for managing your repository. Click on Settings. This will open up the configuration page where you can modify various aspects of your repository, including permissions, branches, and importantly for our task, the fork network settings. Once you're in the settings page, scroll down through the various options. Keep scrolling until you locate the section labeled Leave Fork Network. This is a critical section as it controls your repository's connection to the original forked project. Next to this label, you'll see a button that says Leave For Network. Go ahead and click this button to initiate the process of removing your fork. A confirmation dialog will appear on your screen. This is GitHub's way of ensuring you understand the consequences of leaving the fork network. Click on the checkbox that says I have read and understand these effects. This acknowledgement is necessary before you can proceed further with the removal process. Now you'll need to verify your intention by entering the repository name. Look at your repository file name, copy it exactly as it appears, then paste it into the field provided. Once you've pasted the name correctly, click the Leave For Network button to continue. GitHub takes security seriously, so the next step requires email verification. Click on Verify via email. This will trigger GitHub to send a verification code to the email address associated with your account. Check your inbox for this code and be sure to look in your spam folder if you don't see it immediately. Once you receive the verification code, enter it into the provided field on the GitHub page, then click Verify. This final step confirms your identity and completes the process of removing your forked repository from the network. And that's it. You've successfully removed your forked repository from GitHub. Your repository is now independent or can be deleted entirely if you no longer need it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.